Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected committed member, speaker, and all participants of the 20 international joint seminar on education, social science, and applied science IJSAS on October 26, 27, 2024 in Lombok, Indonesia. Let me introduce myself. My name is Suherman, a student of the elementary education master program at the Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. On this valuable occasion, I will present a topic entitled Self-Efficacy and Academic Success, the Impact of Learning Independence on Elementary Students in West Papua, with the researcher named Suherman Harsono Hoiria Widyasari. This article examines the influence of learning independence on the academic success of elementary school students in West Papua, with a focus on the role of self-efficacy as the main supporting factor. Presented by Suherman. Abstract. This study examined the impact of self-efficacy and learning independence on student academic assessment at ST Impresibena 1, West Papua, considering the educational context with limited resources and external support. This study aims to explore the relationship between these two psychological factor and student academic outcome and profit insight into intervention. Then can approve academic achievement. The research method applied is a quantitative district with a census approve on 85 students, using a questionnaire to collect data on self-efficacy and learning independence and multiple regression to analyze the data. The results showed that self-efficacy and learning independence significantly influenced academic achievement, supporting a order in improving student learning outcome. In conclusion, programs that increase self-efficacy and learning independence can improve student academic achievement, especially in areas with limited resources. The study recommends the development of community-based intervention and educational program that focus on this aspect to improve the quality of education. Keyword multiple irrigation analysis with Papua Insolate Education Elementary School Academic Achievement. Introduction. Education has a central role shaping the future of the younger generation, especially in remote area, so as West Papua. In this region, education is not only a means to develop academic skill, but also a tool to empower individual facing complex life challenges. One One of the key to educational success in the ability of students to manage to the learning process independently, which is based on strong level of self-efficacy. Self-efficacy or an individual confident that their ability to complete a particular task has been identified as important factor in achieving positive academic outcome. amid the geographical, economic, and social calendar faced with students in West Papua. The ability to learning independently is becoming increasingly important. Self-paced learning is a method or learning process in which learners have ownership and control over their learning. They learn to through their own action and direct, organize, and assess their learning. However, low learning independence and lack of confidence among students are often obstacles for them to achievement their maximum academic potential. In the context in-depth research is needed to understand how self-efficacy and learning independence can play a role in improving the academic success of primary school students in the region. In West Papua, although education has become an important focus in development, there are still many challenges faced, especially especially in terms of the quality of student learning outcome. One, one of the main problems that I raise is low self-efficacy, complete academic texts. Their motivation and independence in learning are reduced with ultimately negatively impact their academic performance. This challenge is further exacerbated with in the lack of support for conduct, conducive, conducive learning environment both at school and at home. Students in West Papua not only face limit educational resource, but also social and cultural factor that can hinder the development of their learning independence. This issue demands depth, attention, attention, especially since learning independence has been so to significantly after student academic assessment in various educational contexts. Therefore, it is important to further identify the factor that affect self-efficacy and learning independence and how they are closely related to the academic success of students in West Papua. The study aimed to understand more to how self-efficacy and learning independence affect to academic success of primary school students in West Papua. The main goal of this study is to explore the relationship between the two concepts and how they can be important determinant in student academic achievement. Given the educational calendar phase in West Papua, the study also aimed to identify intervention of strategies that can be used by educational and policymakers to improve self-efficacy and learning independence among students. It is hoped that the result of this study will not only make a theoretical contribution to the educational literature, but also provide practical recommendation to improve the quality of education in remote area so that every student has the same opportunity to achieve their academic potential. In the educational literature, the relationship between self-efficacy, learning independence, and academic success has been widely discussed, but there are still gaps in research that focus on the context of education in remote areas such as West Papua. Most previous studies have placed more emphasis on areas with better access to education, thus ignoring the economic condition students face in more disadvantaged areas. In West Papua, geographical challenges, lack of access to educational facility, and limited resources often affect affect the way student learning develop their independent skill. The studies seek to fill the gap the investigation the relationship between self-efficacy and learning independent in a very different context, namely in remote area with greater educational challenges. Thus, the study not only seek to add theoretical insight but also bridge the existing literature gap so that I can provide a more holistic view of the importance of learning independence for students in West Papua. This research brings important new dimension in the study of the relationship between self-efficacy learning, independent and academic success, especially in the context of West Papua education. Will the concept of self-efficacy and learning independent have been widely studied in various education settings? Very few have highlighted how these two factors play a role in the context of remote area with unique educational challenges. This research offer an important contribution by providing a new perspective on how students in West Papua, limit access and resource can build their learning independence and self-efficacy to achieve better academic achievement. The novelty of this study lies in its focus on local contexts that are often overlooked. In mainstream education study will providing a strong justification for the development of more inclusive and adaptive education policy for the sub-context area. This research in expanded to pave the way for a new approving the quality of education in remote area, with making self-efficacy and learning independence as key element of academic success. Research methods. The study used quantitative approach with census survey the sick. The, the sick were caused to obtain accurate and representative data from the entry population involved. The population this study consisted of 85 students of Impresi Benawan Elementary School in West Papua. Considering the relative small and homogeneous population size, the study used the census district so that the entry population included as respondent with you conduction sampling technique. This thus the study seeks to get a comprehensive picture of the relationship between self-efficacy, learning independence, and academic success in students in the school. The data collection technique carry out through the dissemination of questionnaire that have been designed to measure the level of self-efficacy, learning independence, and academic achievement of students. This questionnaire consists on series on class statement with linker with a linker scale. The aim the capture student perception regarding their ability to manage the learning process independently as well as their self-confidence in facing academic challenge. The collect data was the analysis using multiple regression technical. This technical was cautioned because it allowed to simultaneously test the influence of independent variable, namely self-efficacy and learning independence on the both variable named academic success. This analysis aim to understand how marks as variable contribute to student academic achievement as well as to identify the linear relationship between these variables. With this approach, it is hard that the research can provide strong empirical insight into the factor that affect the academic success of students in West Papua. Result: the level of self-efficacy of students at STMP Benawan to Benawan shows significant variation, with most students being at moderate to high level. The result of the questionnaire that measure self-efficacy indicate indicate that the majority of students had got confident in their ability to complete academic texts. The average self-efficacy score is the in the positive category, reflection a strong sense of confidence among students in overcoming learning challenges. However, there is a group of students reflects a strong sense confidence among learning challenges. However, there a group of students were still so doubt about their ability, especially in dealing with more complex material. This data show that there are quite a clear individual difference in terms of self-efficacy with care. The can be an important indicator in understanding the variation in academic achievement among students. This result also underscore the importance of developing intervention that can better support students with lower level of self-efficacy to reach their full academic potential. The level of student learning independence at SD Impressive 1 also so quite significant variation. The result of the questionnaire revealed the most students were in the moderate learning independence category, with some students showing a higher level in independent student with a go level of learning independent can manage their of study time. With learning resources independently and complete achievement with railing two marks on the teacher guidance. And the contrary, there is group of students who are still heavily dependent on its external assistant. So, as parent of teacher in completing academic text, this data show the need to strengthen independent learning strategies among students, especially for those who show a low level of learning independence. This finding is important because learning independence is often determinant of student success in facing academic challenges, especially resource limit environments such as West Papua. The academic assessment of students in SD Impresi Benawan so far is a distribution with majority of students in the average to go short core category. Academic assessment data collect through learning outcome score show that most students can achieve the competence standard set the school. However, there is a small group of students who so below average academic score, which can be related to low level of self-efficacy and learning independence. This finding indicated potential relationship between psychology factor and academic outcome, where students with higher self-confidence and better learning independence tend to have better academic performance. This varied academic assessment emphasizes the importance of paying attention to individual difference in teaching approaches, especially in providing support to students who are experiencing academic difficulties so that they can achieve a more optimal result. The result of the multiple regression test showed that there was a significant relationship between self-efficacy, learning independence, and academic achievement of students at SMP Sibena 1. Statistical analysis showed that self-efficacy and learning independence together make a significant contribution to student academic success. The regression confession so that student with higher level of self-efficacy tend to have better academic performance. Similarity learning independence has positive influence of academic assessment, with students who are better able to manage their learning process than achievement higher academic grade. This result reinforces the hypothesis that these two factors support at order in driving academic success. The statistical significant achieved in the analysis confirmed that of effort to improve self-efficacy and learning independence among students can contribute significantly to improvement of academic achievement, especially an educational environment with limited challenges such as in West Papua. Table a result multiple regression analysis effect on self-efficacy and learning independent of academic assessment table. Independent variable regression, confidence value, seek value error regression score. Efficacy, self-efficacy, confidence, independence, constanza, information one, score, their variation student academic assessment can get variable learning independence, seek dependent indication that both have significant influence on student academic achievement. The table above illustrates the both self-efficacy and learning independence make a significant contribution to academic assessment of student STMP Benawan. Self-efficacy has been proved to have significant influence of student academic achievement at STMP Benawan in line with the finding of previous student studies the show that student confidence in their ability is a determinant factor in academic achievement. Many studies have been conducted over mind psychological process through with self-confidence affect efficacy affect human functioning. Students who have a high self-efficacy tend to be more confident in facing learning challenges, ability to set realistic goal and committed to effort to achieve them. In contrast, students with low self-efficacy often show doubt and anxiety with more difficult academic texts, which ultimately negatively impacted learning outcome. The result of the study emphasized the importance of intervention that focus on improving self-efficacy, especially in education environment that has limitation such as West Papua, where extended support may be more limited, be increasing student confidence in their abilities can profit a stronger foundation for better academic assessment, strengthening at student potential to achievement greater success in the future. Learning independent have also proven to be a key factor that affect the academic achievement of students as the impression one student who have higher learning independent than to be able to manage their time, set learning priority and find solution independently when facing academic difficulties, difficulties. The result is in line with previous research the emphasize the importance of independent in shaping students who are proactive and responsible for the of learning process in an environment like West Papua, where access to external guidance is limited, the ability to learning independently become over more crucial. Students who can manage learning independent not only better academic outcome but also have essential skill to face future challenge. Therefore, increasing learning independent need to be a focused educational program in the region, be providing student with the rig to and strategy to develop this ability. This finding in underscore the urgency to implement a pedagogical approach that encourages independent learning which can be solution of improve the quality of educational in remote area. This question. Table 2, discussion of research finding a comparison with previous study. Aspect ratio this study, prevent study finding, practical implication. Self-efficacy, student self-efficacy, significant effect of academic assessment. Coefficient 0, 0.458. Self-efficacy is important in improving academic in perform school program that increase student confidence can significantly improve academic assessment. This table 2 discussion in information, the result is study are consistent with previous literature on the role self-efficacy and learning independence in support academic assessment. Two, the practical application was the need for the development of program the text to aspect challenge education context in West Papua. This table self-education, learning independent, limited of geographical context, combined influence. This result is study this data. Multiple regression analysis revealed that self-efficacy and learning independence simultaneously contributed significantly to the academic achievement of students at STM Presidenawan. This results show these two factor not only play an individual role but also support act order. The influencer student academic outcome of self-efficacy facilitates student confident vaccine completing academic tasks while learning independent tasks strengthen their ability to manage the learning process independently. The combination of these two factors create a more productive and effective learning environment, which support the achievement of better academic outcome. This finding emphasizing that educational and first intervention that focus on improving both self-efficacy and learning. Independence can have a greater impact on improving student academic achievement by understanding the complex relationship between self-efficacy learning, independence, and academic achievement. Educator and policymaker can devise more holistic strategies to advance educational in challenging content such as West Papua. The finding of this study make an important contribution to the theoretical and practical understanding of the role of self-efficacy and the learning independence in academic achievement, especially in the context of education in West Papua. The study highlights how these two factors function synergetically to influence academic outcome, with fail gap in the existing educational literature. The study show that amid limited research of external support, self-efficacy and learning independence are important indicators that can predict student academic achievement. The theoretical contribution of the study list in the integration of the concept of self-efficacy and learning independence in a single analysis model with provided new insight into how this psychological factor interacts to influence academic outcome. From practical perspective, this finding underscore the need to develop policy and intervention that support both aspects simultaneously to improve the quality of education in region facing similarity challenges. So this study not only broaden the understanding of the factors that affect academic achievement, but also offer consensus for educator, educator and policymaker to seek more effective strategies in the context of marginalized marginalized education. Discussion. This study face overall limitation that are important not with affect generalization of the result, the small population size, and specific local context at ST impressive one might limit the ability to apply this finding broadly to other educational setting. In addition, the study released only of quantitative data from one questionnaire, questionnaire, questionnaire and academic outcome, which might not fully reflect reflect the complexity of the student learning experience. Theref- Therefore, it is important to consider the result of part of a larger picture of the factor that affect academic achievement. Recommendation for future research includes the development of broader study with more diverse sample of well as the use of quantitative method the gain a deeper understanding of the dynamic of self-efficacy and learning independence. Further research can also explore community-based intervention that can strengthen support the learning independence and self-efficacy of students in regions with similar education challenges. We understand this limitation of continuous research in different contexts. We can gain more comprehensive insight and support the development of more inclusive and effective education policy. Summaries. The, stu- the study reflects that self-efficacy and learning independence have a significant influence and the academic assessment of students at SC Impresi Benawan, West Papua. The result of the analysis show that his self-efficacy and a good level of learning independence contributed positively to student academic achievement. This finding confirmed that the two factors not only impact individually but also support each other, creating a more productive and effective learning environment. Strong self-efficacy increases student confidence in facing academic challenges while learning independent allows students to manage their learning process independently. The result of the study highlights the need to focus on the development of these two aspects to max, maximize student academic achievement, especially in the context of education that has limited research, such as in West Papua. FKIP Magister Pendidikan Dasar Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Thank you. Presented by Suherman.